Hi, this is the third video and the last one. We're going to do number 8, number 9, and a bonus problem, which is also going to be on the quiz, not as a bonus, but as a regular problem. But this problem wasn't included in the practice quiz. So let's start with number 8. And this is for the quiz. It's going to be tomorrow. So, hey, look at it. It's already two fractions equal to each other. So we're going to cross multiply and go through and solve it. So I end up with x plus 12 times x plus 2 equals 3 times 2x plus 3. Okay, I need to FOIL this over here. Distribute, 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 distribute. So x squared plus 2x plus 12x plus 24. On this side, just distribute, equals 6x plus 9. Now I need to combine all the like terms and get everything to one side, so I'll do that really quickly. 2x plus 12x is 14x plus 24 equals 6x plus 9. If I'm going too fast, you can stop the video and just look at what I did. Get everything to one side, so subtract 6x from both sides. So I have x squared, 14x minus 6x is plus 8x. Ooh, I want to get rid of that 9, so I'm going to subtract 9 from both sides also right away. 24 minus 9 is 15, equals 0. All right, I need to solve that. It's a quadratic. You could use a quadratic formula, but that would take a long time. Easier way to do it, since this is factorable, is just to factor it. Two numbers will multiply to 15, add to be 8. It would be 5 and 3. So your two solutions are x equals -5, because -5 plus 5 is 0, and that will make this whole thing equal to 0. Or x equals -3. Now, before you say those are for sure solutions, you need to look up into the original problem. Check to see if -5 or -3 would make either denominator equal to 0, because that would make it not part of the domain. Okay, so -5 is good, and -3 is good, because -3 plus 2 is -1, which is still doable. So these are both solutions, -5 and -3. All right, number 9. Okay, there's two different ways to do this. I'm going to go ahead and do it by multiplying through by the least common multiple. Okay, so on here, or actually least common denominator, we have x plus 1. X squared minus 1 is the same as x plus 1 times x minus 1. The denominator of the 2 is just 1. Between all three of those, the least common denominator, or the least common multiple between the denominators, would be x plus 1 times x minus 1. And now this trick is to multiply both sides of the equation by that. Okay. All right, when we do that, over here, x plus 1 times x minus 1, the x plus 1 cancels with the denominator, and we have 3x times x minus 1. Over here, 12 over x plus 1 times x minus 1, when we multiply through by these two, they will cancel with those, and all we have just 12. And then plus 2 times x plus 1 times x minus 1. That's going to end up being 2 times, well, x plus 1 times x minus 1 is x squared minus 1. All right, I'm going to factor this really quickly. So 3x times x is 3x squared. 3x times -1 is -3x. Over here, 12 plus 2x squared minus 2. The last step is to get everything to one side. So I'm going to subtract 2x squared. So I have x squared minus 3x. And then 12 minus 2 is 10. When I bring it over here, it becomes -10 equals 0. All right, lucky for us. So I can finish in time. This can be factored. X squared minus 3x minus 10. X minus 5 times x plus 2. That's what it factors into. So my two possible solutions are x equals 5 or x equals 2. The last step is just to check, oh, x equals -2. Because -2 plus 2 is 0. Check up here. See if it'll make any of the denominators go to 0. 5 plus 1 equals 6, so that's good. And -2 plus 1 is -1, so both of those will work. So those are the two solutions for number 9. All right, well, apparently I need to go to class and teach something. So Good luck on the quiz. I'll worry about the bonus problem later. This is what it would look like. Basically, just factor out the common factors. Oh, I might as well do it real quick. 6 and 3 both divisible by 3, so get a 2. 10 and 5 both divisible by 5, so you get a 2. X squared will cancel with this x to the fourth and give you x squared. This y can cancel with one of those y's, so you still have just a y there. Let's see, we have an x squared left up here and an x. This x will leave and cancel with one of these x's, so this will just be an x in the end. Y to the fifth divided by y. Take out this one last y. Take one of those out, and you have y to the fourth. So the final answer is 2 times 2, which is 4. Y to the fourth over apparently just x. All right, good luck. Talk to you later. Bye.